Water supply has been restored to residents of a barangay in Tondo, Manila this morning. Rex Virmitio tells us Maynilad may have welcome news for households as its service interruption reaches day 3.
Water supply has been restored to some barangays that were hit by Maynilad's pipe realignment project. At 2 this morning, taps were running for residents of Barangay 183 in Tondo, Manila. It was a welcome relief for residents.
Masayang-masaya ako, tapos kagad ako sa gripo at binuksan ko at sinabi ko sa mga tao dito sa looban na may tubig na tayo, igiba na.
62-year-old Nina Angulo did not mind the low water pressure.
Naglaba ako kagad, tapos na habang nag-iipon ako, nagugas ng pinagkanan.
Her neighbors also did their routine.
Kanya-kanya kami ng igib. Andiyan yung maghugas ng pinggan, maglaba, maligo.
But they also save water in case the restored supply will be temporary.
Mahina. Kaya lang tiyagaan eh. Walang magagawa.
West Zone concessionaire Maynilad said it may finish pipe repairs earlier than expected. The company's pipe realignment activity is making way for a major flood control project. Nina and her neighbors say they don't mind the trouble in exchange for better service. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.